Hey, good afternoon, guys. This is T. Evans with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm showing you a 2024 Yamaha 222X. This is their surf boat. They really killed the colors on it this year. I absolutely love this blue and mist gray hull they did on it. Absolute beautiful color. Looks great. Trying to get out of the sun here so you can see the boat a little bit. It's got the nice tower on it, wet sound, ref 10s on it. Did the full hull color on the bottom, painted trailer, aluminum wheels. Absolute beautiful boat here. Interior is even better. I'm gonna walk around here. Let me show you guys the boat. Sorry for the sun right in the camera. I don't have much to work with during the day. Did the blacked out 222X on the side. Looks really good. Also the blacked out Yamaha turned out good. Interiors looks nice, man. It's dark gray with the black cool accent on it. Got your rear facing seats. You got the wet sound rear speakers, transom remote. The really nice seat deck on it. It's got snap-in seat deck on the interior here. Again, nice L-shaped bench. Also has a center seat that goes there. It's got the PTM board racks on both sides of the tower here. Walk on through here. It's got the co-captain's area, nice co-captain's chair, plenty of cup holders, indirect lighting, got a little phone charger up front there. Go up front to the front, really nice comfortable seating, tons of room. 2 forward bow cushions come out on both sides so you can sit forward facing. Ample amount of storage in the floor, storage up under your cockpit there, storage up under the co-captain's area. Stuff has the drive system on it as well, so low speed maneuverability is very good with this because you've got the paddles. 12-inch screen, another digital phone charger. Of course, you got the digital throttle, so it's all fly-by-wire. Again, it's a 2024 Yamaha 222X, located here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Give us a call, 864-236-9005. Have a great day.